How y'all doing?
Welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? My name is Induvari Krishnan, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. How are you guys doing? I am in the mood to film today and I thought I will share something with you today. Before that guys, that plant is no more. I'm so sorry. There was a beautiful plant there. It recently died and I tried watering it even after that, but then nothing happened. My parents told like water it. I did, but then nothing happened. It didn't grow back. It was like falling off and one day it just came off. So I realized like it died, and I also asked one of my friend like, you know what I have to do. He's like, it's gone. And I went home for 10 days. I think that time only it like dried completely, and it's summer, right? So it did not survive. Plant lovers, I'm very sorry. I asked a guy actually while buying, is it like a low maintenance plant? He told yes, like you have to water it like once in 10 days or once in a week. But that is the update guys. I will plan something new guys, but again I'm traveling in a bit, so I don't want to take that chance again.
Okay.
So yes guys, today we are going to see product empties 2025. You must be thinking 2025 is not over still. That's very true, but I realized so far I have a couple of products that I've emptied literally, and that's why this video product empties 2025, so that I can show you this year what has worked for me. And without any further ado, let's get into the video guys. Okay guys, the first product that I wanted to show and I was waiting to show you actually is this Plum Cleansing Balm. Oh my god, this is the Plum Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. This is such a good cleansing balm. I think it's very like underrated because it works wonders. It literally melts into your skin. It's completely over. It's over like long back. Like I think in Feb only it was over. It has a very good smell. Feb only it was over, but I was saving this jar so that I can show you. It is one of the best cleansing balms that I've come across. I know the Clinique Take the Day Off balm is the most happening one, but I sincerely feel this would make like a best dupe for the Clinique Take the Day Off balm. Yes guys, I said it because it functions very well. It literally melts all the makeup in your face. So you just take this balm a little bit, put it all over your face including your eyes, and like rub it nicely. Your mascara, your matte lipstick, your heavy makeup, your heavy foundation, whatever it is will melt very easily and come off very nicely. You just have to wash after that, or you can take a cotton pad and like clean it properly and wash your face with your face wash and you're good to go. This is such a good cleansing balm guys. I would highly suggest you get that. Also it is super affordable. The Clinique Take the Day Off balm is quite expensive actually. This is very affordable. It is just 545 rupees. So this is a very good one, and I've emptied it and I'm going to repurchase it as well because I'm doing YouTube or I go to work. I'm pretty much doing my makeup most of the day, so this is a pretty affordable one, and nothing else is written on the jar much. Be good, it's written. So be good guys. And yes, so this is the first one guys. Product that I wanted to show you guys is this L'Oreal Extenso Care Serum. This is such a good serum. I have finished the bottle completely. There is no serum left. Actually, it's a very good serum, and I think recently only I have become like a hair serum girl, because before that I never used to apply hair product, any hair product for that matter. Like I used to shampoo and that's about it. Like it's very silly. I used to oil my hair for sure, oil my hair, shampoo, and that's about it. I don't do like 5-6 steps. I cannot do that. Kind of conditioner I don't apply most of the times because I have hair fall if I apply conditioner. So sometimes I do apply because it gives like a good texture, but then apart from that, once I tried applying shampoo and directly skipped to serum, no mask, no conditioner, nothing, and that worked wonders. And this was one of the serum I tried at that time, and it is a very good serum guys. You just have to take like a pump or two and apply it all over your hair, not on your roots, okay, and then just leave it. It will be so smooth, and I think it just tames the hair very well, especially if you have frizzy hair. This is very good. So this was the serum I was using for the past few months. It's the L'Oreal Professional Paris Extenso Care Serum. Anti-frizz plus anti-breakage plus anti-dryness, nutritive shine leave-in for straightened hair. I don't have straightened hair, I have wavy hair, but I was using this and it worked very good for me. I think this is also a salon person only I suggested.
One eternity later.
Any serum or like conditioner or like mask, usually it's suggested by the hairstylist. I've never done too much research on like hair products as such. I don't know why. Probably I should do that. But then this is what the hairstylist had told back then. And then this is 630 rupees. Super affordable as well. So I think all these are very super affordable. So this is 630 rupees. So whatever is your hair care, right? Like your shampoo, your conditioner, your mask or whatever, I think after that you definitely have to apply serum, which is good for your hair, and I've been doing it very religiously. Now this serum is over. I'm using another serum which I'll tell in another video. This is the one I'm using guys, and this is also empty, so it is an amazing serum guys. The next product that I'm going to show you is actually products that I'm going to show you is these Wishcare these Wishcare body lotions guys. I ended up buying everything because all the YouTubers, all the influencers have been chanting about this so much, so I was like,
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
What does it have? Let me try it, and it is very very nice, guys. I think like a common favorite body lotion for most of them is the Nivea Coco Nourish body lotion, guys. Especially if you have very dry skin. I have very dry skin, guys. So that is like the one that I've used the most, I think so. Yeah, I think that is the one that I've always used, and also the Bath and Body Works. And recently I'm trying another one. If it is very nice, I will let you know. This is the one that I use in my entire Thailand trip. Like literally, guys, these are the body lotions that I used in my Thailand trip. All three of them I carried in went, and it was new pack as well. And I know I'm gonna get like tanned and all that, so I thought I'll try out this because they were telling it's very good for tanning and it applies very well. So the first one that we have is the Wishcare Multivitamin Brightening Body Lotion. It has 5% vitamin C, 5% niacinamide, B3, D-panthenol, B5, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid and ceramide for brightening and intense hydration. So these are all 200 ml bottles, and it is actually good, guys. Like when you apply, it is very nice. Like you have a very good feeling about this body lotion, you know. And everybody was saying it's very nice to apply. Of course, it is very easy. It's very nice to apply and it absorbs into the skin very well. But I think in comparison with the Nivea Coco Nourish body lotion, that still wins, guys. I don't know why. That is so good. That is so creamy, buttery that it just melts into the skin and leaves it very hydrated. This is also good, but I feel like little bit I had to like rub. It is very good. It's not like it leaves a white cast or something like that, but it is very good. So that was the first one which I used to apply in the daytime, followed by this one, which is the Wishcare Sunscreen Body Lotion, Broad Spectrum UVA and UVB Protection. It has niacinamide, ceramide, carrot seed and raspberry. This has SPF 50 PA+++, which is very good. And for everyday sun protection, again 200 ml bottle. This one I think I have a little. The pump won't work because the quantity is almost over. So I have a little bit in this, which I can show you. So this is how the cream is. It does melt very well into the skin. So you see, that is how it is. It is very good actually. It absorbs very well into the skin and the smell is very good. All three of them kind of have like a similar smell, but it is very good. So in the daytime I was applying this multivitamin lotion followed by the sunscreen body lotion, and this was very nice, guys. I think this combination worked very well. And in the night time before going to bed, I was using this Wishcare Collagen Retinol Body Lotion because I've heard a lot about it. So this has 1% retinol, plant collagen, ceramide, avocado and rosehip for skin tightening and firming. I don't know if that claim is really true. I applied for a good like 1 or 1.5 months, I think, and it is over also, but I don't think skin tightening or firming it helps much, or like a very small percentage maybe there is a difference, but again I'm not very sure of this claim, guys. So this is what I used during my Thailand trip in the night actually. But one thing, guys, if you apply this retinol body lotion in the night, right, make sure that morning you don't forget to apply the sunscreen body lotion. It is very important because it's retinol, right? So morning you need to have sun protection, especially if you're going out. Do not forget your sunscreen body lotion. These are actually good and I've emptied them as well. Would I repurchase it? Definitely, I think I would repurchase them. These are very nice and I think it's also very affordable. So these are like $4.99 per bottle. So yeah, all three of them are like $4.99. So that is a good price point actually. So this is the next one, guys. The next one, guys, I don't have the bottle with me because I've used it in a very bad way. I've literally like used it till the last and thrown it. So it is the Dot & Key Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen. It is a pink color bottle. It is so good. That is the first time I tried a Dot & Key product and I fell in love with it. It is very nice, guys, and it gives like a cooling effect once you apply. I think it was SPF 50 if I'm not wrong, and it is not greasy. It does not leave any white cast. I think one of the sunscreens that I liked in the recent times is the Dot & Key Watermelon Sunscreen. Now still I'm using the Dot & Key range, but I'm trying the Barrier Repair range and it is very good. I think the Dot & Key sunscreens, face cream, face wash and toners are amazing. Plus they are launching so many variants like Barrier Repair one, the watermelon one, the strawberry one, the Cica range. The Cica range is what I'll try next, the green one I think. So that is the one I'm going to try, and the page looks very colorful. That's one of the reasons I like them. It's very colorful. It's all green, yellow, blue, very nice. So this is the one I had used. It doesn't leave any white cast and it literally absorbs into your skin. So the Dot & Key range sunscreen is very good, guys. You should try it definitely.
A few moments later.
Next one, guys, is this Wishcare Lip Balm. This is the Wishcare Ceramide Lip Balm Natural with ceramides, kojic acid, niacinamide and cocoa butter. This has SPF 50 PA+++, and it claims that it lightens and protects. I posted a YouTube short and an Instagram reel about this, I guess, but this is the one I have used so much. Look at this, guys. It's over. It's completely over. That much I have used it. This is a very nice lip balm actually. This is same like your Nivea original lip balm or your Sebamed non-tinted lip balm or your Neutrogena lip balm. This is very similar to that. It's a non-tinted lip balm and it is actually very good. As I have very sensitive lips, so this did not cause any trouble. I have already emptied.
Nice.
Okay guys, so the last product for this video is something that I've spoken about a lot in my past videos, is the CeraVe moisturizer. I've already spoken about this a lot and it is almost over. Actually, there's like a little bit left. I don't know if you can see, but I use jars and jars of this. One of the body and face creams. You can use this for face and body, which I don't have to like worry about and think so much in a day where I'm like very exhausted and tired and I really don't want to follow like a skincare regime with multiple steps. I can just apply this and go to bed. This is like my safety gel, you know, like if I don't want to apply any other moisturizer for my face or for my body, or I just want to apply one for both face and body, definitely reach out to this. And it is suitable for any skin type, oily, combination or like dry skin. This is very helpful. This is one of those creams that I definitely need in my vanity, you know what I mean? So this has to be there always and I reach out to it very often. I've posted a full review on the CeraVe product, so you can go and check that out. The next product, and I've already emptied it. That's it for today's video guys. There were very few products, but I thought I've already emptied and used them and it has worked wonders for me, so why not share it with you? Let me know which products you're using guys, and also guys do follow me on Instagram at indukrish_. With that, I'll see you in another video guys. Bye guys.